Hello guys, speak Christian, member of staff of Bugtraq-Team, and today we're going to show you a new project for Android. The name is Droidbug Haunter, and you can access this in our website in the menu of projects and click Droidbug Haunter. This application can work in all these versions. We tested in 7 and 8 Android version and works too, so we will change in Play Store for the code of the application for being more compatible with other version of Android. No root is needed, but network access is needed. Why? Because here you can download a lot of malware tools and whatever, a lot of cool stuff. Okay, Droidbug or Bug Haunter is designed for laboratory purpose. Okay, the idea is that you have a lot of malware in database, download in the phone, and next to that do whatever you want. The idea is checking in the sandbox. You have pickups to try to make special rules for IDS or EPS, websites, scripters, Trojans, virus. We have 2 Trojans for phone, and we have a lot of cool stuff that we will see. Okay, you can get it in Play Store. You have free version and pro version. The pro version have more menus. Okay, you can download more things, and the free is for test that works in your phone, and you have simple backdoors, for example, crypters. Okay, let's go to see the application. Let's go. He's checking license, the pro version. And the download software of this application is oriented on purpose for analysis in a controlled laboratory and isolate system from sensitive information. I think everything is clear here. Okay. If you say you have a lot of cool stuff, go to crypters. Maybe we download this crypter, for example. Come on. You say you can download or open the folder to see where the malware is downloaded. We have websites. As you can see, a lot of websites, a lot, 99. Of course, we have all the stuff too, private stuff and new stuff. Okay, anti-malware, for playing a little, botnets. We have a lot of botnets here. Okay, it's a little crazy. As you can see, there are a lot. Okay, we come back. Yeah, droppers, previous downloaders to make the malware more cool. For infect UCPE, for infect another device or with P2P, whatever. This pickup, if you see, it's a lot of size, some of packets, because inside these packets there are a lot of pickup samples for different malware. So, this is for IDS, for example, rules. Okay. Encoders, decoders. You have a little singular decoders. Okay. I don't want to load this, but join as Blender. Okay, please go. sorry. Let's go to download the Cactus Joiner, for example. I like Cactus Joiner a lot. Time ago I use it. Okay. Keyloggers. Well, as you can see, not are all keyloggers. That is true, but there are a lot of samples. But we don't use keylogger now. OCX lives. In the future, we will add every OCX, but for now we have we found in detectables.net this executable that install all the OCX that normally need for use this malware. Phone bots, well, phone bots, Android, for example, Dendroid, you know. Okay. Simple backdoors. Well, simple code, you know, for get ideas, maybe. Tools that need for this to change icons, Rescacker, for example, Oli. Well, Trojans. Well, here, yes, we have a lot. Okay, for the test, for example, we're gonna we're going to download Bifrost, and it's very popular. Come on. Now with the mouse it's a little more difficulties. Okay, the Bifrost, and you will see now in a few minutes, have all the version of Bifrost. Okay, when you see the name for something, normally, for example, Poison Ivy or Spynet or whatever, you have all the versions for this malware that you find, you know, private versions, public versions, translate versions. Okay, virus, be careful with this. This virus are these or no? Wait. No, this virus is for computer, okay, worms, etc. But here in virus Android you have APK, so careful to load and execute this. Okay, very careful with this. We have Trojans for phones. Well, Android, for example, it's very good for Trojan the phone. Binaries, maybe for you need some binary because in your world need for compare with other binaries that you find, whatever. You have here a lot of samples of binaries. And modding to play with the malware, okay, like Topo to add in bytes or signature 0 to try to find the signature of antivirus, okay, and a lot of stuff. I will we download the Bifrost, so we download Bifrost detector, you know, to check. And come on, let's try Bifrost. I think for now it's okay. Wait, and I want to download too. Whoa, nice virtualization. I think the virtual hard disk maybe is full. I'm not sure. But on Trojans, for example, come on. Oh no, is the Sub 7, guys. Sub 7, very old malware that for me is not the malware, you know, that I use in that time, but people always say Sub 7. I prefer new control or optics, you know, but well, Sub 7 is very famous, so let's go to download it. Yeah, I think maybe the disk is full because we download a lot of things. And Bifrost is a lot, because maybe are 20 or more versions. There are a lot of Bifrost. So now we're going to see what we download and how to execute in a Windows, okay? Remember that you can here open folder of your phone and see what you download. If we check now, we have, I think we have not a viewer for that. Okay, so we can now see if you download like file manager or something like that, you can check it. Okay, and you click on him, like for example this, and put always. But now it's an error because you can open a file with a gallery managed. Okay, let's go to see what happens when you put this stuff in a computer. Hi all again. Well, we connect the phone here. We open the phone. Whoop, nothing looked at. Okay, and we open the SD, and we see here the folder. Well, now we go into the desktop. I copy here the malware. As you can see, we have here the sub 7 with a lot of versions. And now we can compress this. Let's go to open the Trojan. And this Trojan is for directly connections, but it's a very famous Trojan, and well, we collect all the malware. So well, remember the post from IRC to tell the IP. Well, let's go to the next. We download the Cactus Joiner to Bifrost. Let's go to Bifrost, for example. We have the private versions, public versions, Spanish versions. Yeah, we're Spanish, we have a lot, and a special version. We go to open this, and yes, it works. Okay. And the tutorials, you have a lot of internet, so you don't need to teach how to use this Trojan, because you have a lot of things on internet to use these Trojans and to learn it. So it's waste my time, because you have on YouTube you have a lot of videos here for that. Well, next, for example, I put here frutas. Why frutas? I know that we don't download yet, but everything that are executing Java, Python, Ruby is very difficult with antivirus detect it in execution, because when you execute that, you execute the Java, not the program. The Java interpret the lines. Yeah, it's my phone. Okay, Demon. Demon, you have the source here is a Spanish guy write this. Now he don't wanna do more, he do the 3 versions, but he don't continue. Works in Linux, Mac or OCX. He works in XMPP protocol. Imagine how easy is jumps, snore, suricata or broad rules. And well, you can change everything, whatever. And well, for example, here I showed you I download the Cactus because maybe in a new systems that you won't execute all software stuff, you have errors like that. You should copy this library. You should copy, for example, to if you are on Windows XP on System 32, or if you are in Windows 7, 8 or 10, you should copy to syswow 64 if you are in 64 bytes, or in syswow 32 if you are in 32 bytes. Well, okay. Okay, and well, here the anti-bifrost. This is for a try the settings from server of bifrost. Was very funny. Now I don't know if you find a lot of computers affected with bifrost, but whatever, was fun and maybe still working. Okay, and well, that is all. Okay, and when you download it, you will have something like this, so you should to uncompress and uncompress again to have this. So if you have some questions, or you want collaborate, or you wanna add some malware stuff, old or new, that we haven't got yet, you can write us to team dot gmail.com. Okay, like this, and we have not any problems to answer. So well, we expect that you like the application, and well, happy hacking, guys. See you.